Hi everyone, today we're taking a walk from the bustling Jemaa el-Fnaa to the iconic Koutoubia Mosque. It's December 23rd, around 4 p.m., and this walk should take about 8 to 9 minutes. Along the way, I'll share some fascinating facts about Marrakech. So let's dive into the vibrant streets of this historic city. On the left, we can see the flower market. To be honest, this isn't the cleanest street in Marrakech. However, overall, Marrakech is clean and tidy. People here tend to park their bikes casually on the streets, a culture quite similar to that in India. Jemaa el-Fnaa is the beating heart of Marrakech and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. By day, it's a lively market filled with fresh produce, spices, and artisans. By night, it transforms into an open-air theater with storytellers, musicians, and food stalls serving Moroccan delicacies like tagine and harira. Well, that's a nice car on the right, isn't it? Marrakech's Medina is over 950 years old and was founded by the Almoravid dynasty in 1070. The narrow streets, called zankas, are lined with traditional riads and bustling souks selling everything from leather goods to vibrant textiles. The red walls of the Medina give Marrakech its nickname, the Red City. Always be careful crossing streets. The architecture here is a blend of Andalusian and Saharan styles. You'll notice intricate zellige tiles, carved cedar wood, and beautiful domes. Many homes are Riyadh's traditional Moroccan houses with central courtyards that offer a peaceful retreat from the busy streets. Coming up on the left is a police station. As we approach Qutubia Mosque, you'll see its stunning 77-meter minaret. Built in the 12th century by the Almohads, it's a masterpiece of Moorish architecture. Fun fact, its name comes from Koutoubia, meaning booksellers, as there used to be a bustling manuscript market here.
Jangan.
The Qutubia Mosque isn't just an architectural marvel. It's also a spiritual center that accommodates up to 20,000 worshippers in its courtyard. Its minaret inspired famous landmarks like Seville's Giralda Tower and Rabat's Hassan Tower. Thanks for joining me on this short but fascinating walk through the vibrant streets of Marrakech. This city truly is a treasure trove of history and culture. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more walking or driving tour, don't forget to check out my channel and subscribe if you like this video. That's it for today. See you in the next one.